looked at the GE for the next 3 decades. G-Kong Woody said nothing.
Hi.
After looking at the GE for a while.
Overview. MS Edge TTS Extension, Text-to-Speech. Sparkle's new feature, Dark Mode, is finally here. This is a text-to-speech browser extension that utilizes Microsoft Edge's online TTS service. It offers several notable features. 1. Natural-sounding voices. The extension provides high-quality, download-generated audio features, a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate and use. The extension provides language and country audio